Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate MyChart account without email step by step clearly. First, ensure you have your personal information ready. Visit the official MyChart website. Locate the Sign Up or Activate Account button on the home page. Click on the button to begin the activation process. You will be prompted to enter specific personal details. This may include your full name, date of birth, and possibly your medical record number. Follow the on-screen instructions to fill out all required fields. Once you have entered all necessary information, click Next or Continue. You may be asked to verify your identity through security questions. Answer the questions accurately to proceed. If you do not have an email address, look for the option that allows you to activate without one. Choose this option and continue with the process. You may receive a verification code via text. Enter the code in the provided field. After verification, you will create a username and password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong password for security purposes. Once you've completed these steps, look for a confirmation message. Your MyChart account should now be activated. You can log in using the username and password you just created. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.